They apparently there's going to be a huge storm in the US coming up, a huge snowstorm that's going to hit a big chunk of the east, so between, I don't know the areas very well, but New York and DC and sort of pathway going east to west, and it's where cold air from the northeast is going to be hitting moist air brought up from sort of, I guess, Florida way. But there's going to be this collision of warm, moist air and freezing cold northeasterly winds coming from the Arctic. So yeah, I watched that